Hey YouTube, welcome back here. And so this is from bioshop.ru. Today, this is another new review of new sneakers here. As you know, for the shape of this one, you know it's the Yeezy 700 V3, and this is the new colorway. And before I introduce the shoes, you can check out the size label. So you can look, this is the size US 8 and the code and the name of this one. All information there. Very good. And then this is the same as other V3 700 series. Inside got the tissue paper and another extra shoelace is the black one. And now let me show the shoes. So this one very similar with the V3 SL, but not this one is another new colorway. On the shoes, for the parts, the side here got different color. So you can, let me show you. You can look at the yellow part. For the yellow part, this is the material on this one. For material and the shape and the design, same as other V3, just the color is different. So you can check out the whole side. And for this style, very comfortable, really comfortable. And for the shape, also very good. And about the midsole, this is the color of this one. And about the for V3, you know about the rubber material on the around it is the this part can glow in the dark, and you put this part in the under a strong light. Okay. And about the back side, you can check the back side. Got Adidas and the shape of this one, and the inner side so got the same. Very unique. And this one got 2 tag here. Also got all information there. And check out the front. Here you can look at the front. This part is the rubber, and around the shoe tom. This 2 part is the silver color. You can see this is the 3M material, and around the shoe tom is the black one. And on this part got another different kind of material. And about the shoelace is the black one. And the color, this is the color of this style. Can't hurt feet, and also very soft material. Can't hurt feet. A very good design. And this is the bottom of this one. The different color on the red part, and also the bottom. This color is the same as the midsole, and this one is the rubber. Okay. And the inside got the shoe part is the black one. Got Adidas and the Yeezy letters, and also another place. The size tag on the inside of the shoes, on the back side of the shoe tom. So for more details, you also can check out my web link. Here, just give you a quick look. So this is the new color of Yeezy 700 V3. Copper or drop, you can comment below. If you want this one, please don't forget to check out my web link. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time.